Where are we going, Ronnie?
To the toy store.
Once upon a child. Okay. Give me your hand.
Now let's go to the store. Ah, there's cars right there.
Yeah, what we supposed to do when the cars are here? You supposed to stop it and let the cars go, right?
Now go.
Now we go.
There's 2 cars to come on. Oh, let's go back. Uh-oh, I don't have your hand enough.
Okay.
I don't have your hand.
Okay, what store are we going in?
Right here.
Okay.
Oh, there's a one in between. Looking at the... Where's that toy?
Ahí estamos.
1 sentence. From what? Ooh,
Did you find anything? What do they have? You want to find more toys back here?
Yeah.
Let's walk this way. Say excuse me. You see all these toys? They're used toys, but they're toys that you can play with at home. You just gotta find the right ones, right? Right, Ronnie?
These are the babies.
Yeah, that's for the babies. And what are you gonna pick out?
That one's not working.
Well, it may need batteries.
Okay. Where's this? Oh, there's...
They have a lot of toys in here. That's great.
It is coming to the mark. This. An elephant. An elephant.
I think that's for a baby.
Yeah.
Is that for your age?
Looking for cars?
I'm looking for cars. There's cars waiting.
You want cars?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Who doesn't want cars?
We're not waiting. Ooh, these right here. Where's these? It's spinning around like this, like these blocks. Or
Look at this one.
whoa, that's my favorite.
That's your favorite?
Mhm.
Okay, hold it.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. I got it.
You got it?
Oh, look at this one. I want to take it, please.
All right.
Oh, car.
Now you need cars? Okay. Let's find cars.
Right here. Look at this.
Probably not all of them, but one of them at least.
Mama.
Yeah, can you show the camera what you got? Show them, show everybody what you have. Turn it around that camera.
Two, you got a few. I think so.
And what is that?
Now we can get that. Tonka trucks.
What
A
is
fire station.
Okay.
Let me get something else, Mom.
Okay, we'll hold that. You want me to hold that? Okay, I'll hold it and you get something else.
I want to take it to the house.
We will. This way, man.
rocks.
Look over here and see if you find cars.
Whoa, car. This is not car. This is village. These are not cars, Mom.
What do you got?
They look like
We're just gonna.
Look right there.
You like that?
There's a lot of cars right there.
Magnets.
Look,
on those you can make a lot.
what's that?
It's true. 46 pieces.
Legos.
The math on
Legos.
that means that, and then those are Chinese. and those are-
I'm going to other
Well,
side.
not all of them.
Wait, no running. What are we supposed to do when we go in the store? Walk, right?
Yeah,
Okay. This way. Go this way. Do you see anything else? Ronnie. Ronnie. Do you see anything else?
Oh.
Let's see what that is. Turn it around and let me see.
Books about
Show the camera.
Legos.
mysterious
Okay.
stuff.
Hold on. Hold it, Sandy, one more.
Hold this.
Pull it up and bring your hands. Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Like my tablet, Mom.
Mhm.
Oh, you want to get this out?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Look at me.
What?
Okay, come on.
Go that way. Oh, watch out, Mom. That's not. That's not. I'll go back to it. Oh, everybody is right here.
Mhm. So what size shoe you wear? You want to step on there and see what size shoe you wear?
Right.
A 10?
Yeah.
You wear a 10? I think that's about right.
I'll do 1, 2.
Okay, say goodbye to the camera. Say goodbye.